Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech, and today we have a very special video. Here we have the OnePlus 7 Pro in the left, and in the right we have the OnePlus 7. If you saw the previous videos when we unboxed these two phones, if you haven't seen them, I highly recommend you to go and watch that video. And today we are going to compare these two phones with the Antutu test and some other tests. So without losing any time, we can go and explain first that both of these devices are 7 GB of RAM, 124 GB of RAM. They both use the 855 Snapdragon, so they have slightly difference. And now I think we can go and open the Antutu app. So now we have here OnePlus 7 Pro and OnePlus 7. We have the percentage of battery and the CPU. Here we have the device verification, my device, stress test, and future test. Let's go in the same time, press test, and let's see what we got. And that was the 3D test from the Antutu. Now we have the images. This was another test. As you can see, the test is still running. We have now completed the 3D test. We can flip the phones in the right direction. As you can see, the GPU is done. Now it's testing the ROM. Then it's next the time for the CPU and the UX. So you maybe can see that the graphics are a bit smoother in the 7 Pro, but we are going to see the result in the end and we can make a decision. So let's wait for this result and see what we got. As you can see, the test is going really good, but it's taking a bit longer, but we have to be patient and wait. So here we have the result. As you can see, for the 7 Pro we have the CPU, the GPU, 3D, all the scores, the UX, and the MIM, RAM and ROM. We have the device verification, temperature, and stress test. Let's go to the 7, we have the CPU, GPU, UX, and the MIM. So we have here both of the result, both of the phones, and now I will test them with the power test. Let's see which one will shut down and turn on first. So let's go and try to make and to touch them in the same time. 3, 2, 1. They are off. Now let's wait to turn them on. So now I think they are off. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Now they are on. So we have here the phones, all set it up, and they are powered on after the test. So guys, this was all for the test in OnePlus 7 Pro versus the OnePlus 7. If you liked this video, hit the like button, leave a comment so we know you like this video. If you have any question or suggestion, feel free to comment down below, and we will see you in the next time.